Another strategy you can utilize to come up with content ideas is to use question-related keywords. So whatever industry you operate in, whether that's yoga mats, professional services, e-commerce, and so on, there are going to be tons of question-related searches which are all relevant to the product or services you offer. By using SEMRush, we can find out very easily exactly what these question-related searches are. So to give you a better idea of what I mean, let's look at a live example of this. So let's go over to SEMRush and search for one of our broad keywords. So I'll go for yoga mat and then click search. And once the information has loaded, we want to scroll down and look at the second box for keyword variations. If we look to the right hand side of keyword variations, we're going to have tons of keywords which are all related to questions. So these are all keywords which are related to what you search for, which for me was yoga mat. So some of the keyword questions we have is how to clean yoga mat, how to clean Lululemon yoga mat, how to wash yoga mats, where to buy yoga mats, and so on and so on. So these are all keyword searches which are related to questions. And the great thing about these keywords is that they all have their own monthly search volume. In total, there's over 3,000 different keyword questions we can use for the one keyword example I searched for, which was yoga mats. So let's go ahead and look at all of these keywords in a bit more detail. And as you can see, we have tons and tons of ideas. How long is a yoga mat? What is the best thickness for a yoga mat? What to use instead of a yoga mat? And so on and so on. So if we take one of these keywords and actually Google it, so how long is a yoga mat? Let's have a look at what Google shows us. 68 inches long, great. Let's keep on scrolling down. You can see the website in position 1 is what size yoga mat do I need? Let's discuss your options. So if we open this website and have a look at this type of content, you can see this is literally a blog post on this website talking about what size yoga mat do they need. Let's discuss your options. You scroll down through the content and we have the standard size for yoga mats. We have different lengths or various heights. So hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. We can literally use all of these keyword ideas to come up with tons of new content ideas for our website. And the great thing about using these keywords is that because they have their own monthly search volume, if we can rank these keywords on page 1, like this website has right here, we can actually start to generate some additional traffic and then even filter that traffic through to our main pages, which actually make us money. So the ones that maybe sell yoga mats. So let's actually go back to this website and see if they are indeed doing that, which it looks like they are. Buying your first yoga mat. If you check the URL in the bottom left hand side of the screen, one down here, which is just gone now. If you check it one more time, you can see it says best yoga mats. It's changing a little bit now because the page is still loading, but essentially you can see this article does indeed filter the traffic through to another page on the website. So this is a really simple but effective method you can use to come up with tons and tons of content generation ideas. I'll see you in the next video.